She defined critical race theory as the study of how and why patterns of race inequality continue to reproduce themselves more than 60 years after the passage of civil rights laws. Right? Why is it that notwithstanding formal equality, we still have structural inequality? So she says, look at the rules, practices, conventions, and law that allows for and facilitates a whole range of racial disparities. Critical race theory looks at how all of this happens, the justifications for it, and provides a diagnosis of the problem as well as a solution. This happens to be one of the most dangerous areas of study in not just our country, but in our world, apparently. In an interview, in that same interview, she also defined intersectionality. Intersectionality, she said, is a concept that says that discrimination, inequality, marginalization often is not a singular dynamic. They exist in ways in which multiple forms of disadvantage impact people's lives. Intersectionality is an effort to make sure that no one is left out of commitments to equity, inclusion, and non-discrimination. What a fundamental goal and ideal. Professor Crenshaw argues that it is crucial for us to understand the ways that law is not neutral, that it frames actions, individuals, consequences, and it does so in very specific and particular ways. And we must understand the way that law interacts with race, gender, class, sexual orientation, and other types of identities. So if you want to understand fundamental inequality, you have to understand the way that law mediates that inequality.